Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Mazda RX3 and this is by Hotwheels from their mainline series, and this costed me 179, which is the MRP. Okay, let's unbox this. So I told this during this prelude video. So if you guys remember, if you guys are a long time subscriber or like at least following the channel, you might remember I unboxed this in white color, which is the Mad Make version, which was supposed to be treasure and on that specific case back then. I'm talking about during 2023. Yeah, 2023. So that time, we didn't get Hot Wheels in India, so I bought it from, I don't know whether it's Dubai or Muscat, but I bought it somewhere around in that region. It is a card art. So that casting, I mean that color looked really nice. Okay, let's see how this one looks. Okay, the casting looks really solid given that it's the same casting, nothing is new here. And you can see some paint chipping here on the roof. Okay, as usual there are no headlight details here, but there are a little bit of grill detailing here. No logo detailing, nothing here. Nothing here. Okay, no taillight detail as well. Okay, even the paint detailing on the sides, the vinyls and everything doesn't look really good. The casting itself looks really nice, and the wheels on this one looks really good. I think this is the same set of rims that they went with in that older casting as well, if I'm not wrong. So that video is in our channel. You can just go and look that one. Okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. Again, this one is supposed to perform well on tracks. You can see the logo here. That is a track logo. That loop is a track. So it is supposed to perform well on track. So it has good interior detailing to it, but they made it a bit hard to see. They tinted the windows, but okay, it is a bit visible, so we are good there. So it looks very compact, but it looks really nice. I personally prefer the Mad Make version because that gave a lot of character. That livery on that, the white paint job along with that, I think blue livery, if I'm not wrong, that gave a good, very good character on that particular casting, and it looked really beautiful there compared to this one. So the chassis doesn't have any detailing to it. I was looking for exhaust details. Okay, it is here, but nothing much here. Okay, let's put this on the scale. 32 grams, not bad. Okay, let's see how this one rolls. Okay, that actually rolls really good. Okay, it is fast, it is smooth. Okay, it does roll really well. The front wheel wobbles a little bit, but it's negligible. Okay, let's rate this casting. So I'm not sure about this paint issue, whether it's going to be a common one or anything, but I'm taking 0.5 just for the headlight and taillight detailing here. Nothing is given here. So 0.5 out of 10. So 9.5 out of 10. That's the rating I'm giving for this casting. So if you are a Mazda lover or in general any JDM lover, and this casting is a must-have because just because of the body kit and everything they used here, that this looks really nice. You can see the detailing also here. But the paint job is not really good on this one. I mean, doesn't feel eye candy. Hot Wheels are supposed to be eye candy. That's the whole point of it. But this one is not eye candy. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.